So guys, yesterday was my birthday and I want to show you guys my birthday glam on what I look like for my birthday. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, I already did my brows using the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel. And I am going to prime my lids using some concealer. This is the Makeup Forever concealer. First, I'm going to take the Profusion Inflation palette, I think that's how you say that, and I'm taking the colors Shell first, and I'm going to use this as my quote-unquote transition color. Then I decide to go ahead and mix the two later, and I'm going to mix Devoted and Shell together and blend that into the crease. So next, I'm going to take the color Go Girl from the Pro Pigment palette. This is also from Profusion, one of my favorite palettes from them, and I'm going to use that for the outer V of my eye. It looks a bit sloppy, but it comes together once you blend it. And like I said before, I'm going to take Shell and Devoted together, and now I'm blending those edges from Go Girl to kind of make sure everything is nice and blended. So you're going to just be going between these three colors for the full eye. So I'm taking Shell this time by itself, and I'm just cleaning up the edges from Go Girl, and I'm just going literally back and forth between the colors until I get the right color gradual change that I'm looking for. Sorry, I was getting distracted with TV, but yeah, I was watching TV at the same time. And so once I got that down, I'm swatching the color Gravity to show you what it looks like. And it was okay on my eye, so I decided to add more concealer on my lid. And I'm going to go back into Gravity and plop that onto my lid. And I really like how it looked once I added the concealer. Now I'm just going to go back into Go Girl, and I'm going to blend out the edges from Gravity just to kind of make sure everything is nice and blended, no lines of demarcation there. And we're going to prime our face. This is the Becca primer. I can't remember which one, but I like the way my face glows with this. Now I'm going to take my Bare Minerals foundation, and I'm going to use this to go ahead and put foundation on. This is my custom shade made just for me. I did do a review video on this, and I will leave a link up top for you guys to go ahead and check out. So Zara woke up, that's what I was looking at, and I'm going to take my, not Too Faced Shape Tape Concealer, and go ahead and conceal everywhere that I need to conceal at. So next I'm going to go ahead and set the concealer with my Laura Mercier powder in Deep. So now I'm going to use my It's My Ray Ray palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to use the contour shades in this palette to go ahead and contour my face and my nose. I like to mix the light and the dark together because it gives me a nice cool tone for the contour. The dark one is just a bit too harsh. Now I'm going to go into my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is the matte poreless one, and I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face, blending out the contour just so it's not super harsh, and also blending the concealer edges and everything together. And I didn't like that the concealer under my brow was like shining, so I'm just going to set that with the same foundation powder. Next I'm going to go into this blush. This is a MAC blush. I will leave it down below. It's called Risen or something, to plop on my cheeks. Then I'm going to go into my Sephora highlighter. Once again, I'll leave it down below for you guys because I can't remember the name. And I'm going to also put that in my tear duct just to make everything pop. Next, I'm going to use a Profusion lip liner, and I'm going to just line the outside of my lips just a little bit because I'm going to be using a gloss. I just kind of want to line my lips just a tad bit so the gloss doesn't like run or anything. And then I'm going to use this One Sweet Honeybee gloss. I really love this gloss. It's really pretty and natural, just to kind of gloss up the lips, and that's pretty much it for the makeup. Oh, and I am going to do my Cupid's bow. For my hair, I already plopped my wig on. It's just not secure. I don't do nothing too technical. I'm just going to take my Got To Be gel just a little bit, and I just add it right there in the front part where my little lace will be showing, or my part. Then I take this little spoolie brush and I kind of brush the little baby hairs down to give me a more flawless look in the front. Then I just kind of brush it because I like the natural waves of the hair. But that's pretty much it, girl. If you want to curl one your hair, go ahead. It'll probably give you a better look. But that is the final look of my birthday glam, and I hope you guys loved it, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.